Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to change Spotify playlist picture on computer. This tutorial is for Windows. It will not work on mobile devices. Launch the Spotify app on your computer and log in with your Spotify account credentials. You can also search for Spotify in your browser and log in from there. Once logged in, see the left-hand sidebar, click on your library, and then select Playlists. This will display all the playlists you've created. Find the playlist for which you want to change the picture and click on its title to open it. Move your cursor over the current playlist picture. You'll see a small pencil/edit icon appear in the top right corner of the picture. Click on the pencil/edit icon to edit the playlist details. In the Edit Playlist Details pop-up window, you'll see the current playlist picture and options to upload a new one. Click on Choose Image or Upload Image equals to select a new image from your computer. After selecting the new image, you may have the option to crop it to fit the playlist picture size. Adjust the cropping as needed, and then click on the Save button to save the new playlist picture. Once you've saved the new picture, the playlist will be updated with the new image you selected. I hope this video was of help. Bye.